What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Microsoft or Bing search marketing campaign so that you can grow your business and lead more customers to your website. So let's get right to it. So first you need to go to the Microsoft Ads webpage, that's ads.microsoft.com, and you will land on this page right here. From there, you can sign up or create a new Microsoft Ads account or sign in if you do already have one. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up now and get back to you right away. So here I am signed up with my email and my password. So I have my account here opened, and the first step in creating your campaign is entering your website URL. That's totally optional. You can continue to create the campaign without it. Or if you do already have Google Ads account or Facebook Ads account, you can import the data or the info from either of those. So for now, let's create one. And although this is optional, I'm going to go ahead and enter my website. So that's howtosimple.com. Okay. Now click on create campaign. Okay, it will load up. It'll take a moment to load up. And then you will land on this page. So here you will edit some basic info for the campaign. So the campaign name is, let's call it test campaign. Okay. And now the budget. Of course, the more you pay or the higher the budget, the more clicks you'll get and the more reach or visitors you'll get to your website. So here they recommend like $69.60 per day. However, I think that's a bit too much. So let's say I want to pay $40 per day, and you can change here the currency. So depending on your country, you can change the currency. However, I'll leave it as it is, as US dollars. And here you can optimize your bid, so enhanced or maximized click. So here let's leave it as it is now. And now here they give you the recommended budget. However, as I told you, I change it. Now let's click on next, and you can also skip the campaign creation if you want to. Now let's click next, and here you can choose your campaign target. So you can choose all the available countries or regions, or you can choose the specific location or radius. This is useful if you have like a local business and you want to target audience or like clients that are in your country. So for now, let's assume my business is in the United States. Okay, United States, it's already chosen by default. You can add, like, let's add United Kingdom. Okay, target. Of course, if your business is located in the USA and like you do not ship or do business in the United States, United Kingdom, of course you shouldn't do so. You shouldn't choose the United Kingdom. However, I'm just showing you how to do it. So if you want to, you can delete locations that you added from here. Let's say I have this location only. Now, here you want to get your ad to people that are in your targeted location, not people searching or viewing pages about your targeted location. So if you are like a travel agency and you want to target people that are like searching for United States in order to get them travel to United States, of course you want to check this option. However, if you are doing this campaign for your local business and you want to target and attract more people or clients to your local business, you shouldn't check it. So you want to target people in your location that are already in your location. Now select the language of your website. Of course, I want it to be in English. However, you can set the language to any language that you want to. And now let's click next. Okay, now here you can choose an ad group or like get keywords. So you have let's say my business is about let's say finance. Okay, and here you can enter keywords depending on your business type. So let's here type in, for example, financial help. Okay, and personal budgeting. So here, of course, you can enter as many keywords as you can in order to relate it to your business, of course, in order to get estimates of the performance of your ads here, depending on the category of the clients or the keywords that you want people searching for them to be able to see your ads. So let's leave it as it is for now and click on next. And here you get like a preview of the ad here. And you can click here to create a new ad similar to this one. So click on create ad. Now the website is How to Simple, and as you can see here, any changes that you make will be reflected on the summary, or here the preview of the ad. You can see how it will look like on desktop or on mobile. So let's leave it at desktop for now. So the website is howtosimple.com, and the headline, let's first write in professional financial services. And as you can see here, this line is now added here. So okay, it's exceeded by one character, so let's keep it financial services for now. And you can also pin this one to appear here only in the first position. You'll see what I mean when we enter the second one. So here, professional budgeting, like I'm writing anything. However, you get the idea. Now, this is the second one, so we can pin it to show in the second position. Or if we don't pin it, these remaining ones will be shown randomly. However, the financial services will be kept in the first position. So let's leave it as is. You can also add more if you want to. And here you can add a path, and you can add a headline, and you can add also a description. So hello, or let's say click on this link to get early discount. And as you can see here, the description is right here, appears right here. You can also add another description, and you can pin this if you want to, position 1. And let's say hurry up. So as you can see here, these are separated by dots. You can add another description, and you can also add, as I showed you, another headline. Now the mobile URL, if you want to add a mobile URL, and you can add URL options. So let's see how our ad will look on mobile phone. So this is like when someone searches for keywords related to the ones that you entered, they might see your ad, and this is how it will look like. Now here, okay, it's seen. Let's enter the same website as our mobile website. Okay, and okay, it needs to add at least 3 headlines. So let's add like 50% off. Okay, now this is how it will look like. Let's create, click on create. And now you get a preview here of how your ad will look like. And now let's click on next. And then you will proceed to create a Microsoft advertising account in order to finalize and be able to publish your ad on Bing search. So that's how easy it is to create like Microsoft or Bing search ads campaign.